Last year, Leadpages acquired my company Glorify.com, and we joined the team to pursue their mission of building an advanced AI-first CRO platform. Now, if you're watching this video, you may already know that we've completely rebuilt the platform from the ground up, bringing in agentic-first building and campaign generation. Now, of course, campaigns don't just start and end with landing pages. This is the whole point of Glorify. At Glorify, we focus on creating beautiful marketing assets at scale, and that mission never stopped. We brought that same mission into Leadpages. So today, I'm super excited to announce that we finally have launched Ad Builder. Ad Builder brings in the same workflow that you're familiar with already in Page Builder, but instead you have an infinite canvas workflow where you can build multiple ad sets for every platform that you need all at once. And all of the heavy lifting is done by your agent. Simply plug in a URL or an existing landing page in your Leadpages account and build your ad sets from that context. Now you've completed the loop in one platform. You've got your landing pages, you've got all of your ad sets, and you can start running campaigns immediately. Let me show you a walkthrough right now. Now, to truly show you the power of Ad Builder, I'm going to first show you the page that we're going to feed it. This is a page I built earlier for a concept fitness brand called Vault Fitness, and you can see it's got that very dark, energetic and gritty style, right? As we scroll through, you can see the lime green really pops on the black. Got a whole lime green section over here, bold and all caps headlines. Again, the dark gritty image style that you can see over here. And then as we scroll to the bottom, you can see big pricing, big all caps CTA. Now with this page published, we can go ahead and head over to the Ad Builder. So we'll go over to the dashboard. And from the dashboard, we'll go to ads. As you can see, we're in the prompt field. Looks very familiar, just like you're building a page. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and plug in the page that I generated earlier, the Vault Fitness landing page you saw. And you can go ahead and pick your platforms from here too. We've got Instagram, Facebook, and Google Display picked by default. We'll also add LinkedIn in this example. And from there, we can just go ahead and put in our prompt. Now with my prompt in, we can go ahead and hit generate. Now, right away, you'll see the agent start to work in the Ad Studio floor, pulling in context. This could be a URL that you provided or product image or any other files and context you may have given it. And just like that, you can see it's pulling in color palette, the fonts, and just like that, we have some concept directions ready to be picked. We have different variations, one that is more gritty, one that's app focused, big typography focused, and finally, one pulled in from the image that we have on our page. To keep it simple, for this example, I'm gonna go ahead with my product image and use that as the main reference and see what we get. Let's go ahead and generate. And just like that, we have all of our ads generated. Now let's go ahead and check out these ads first before I give you a tour. So I'm going to zoom into Instagram first. You can see that it's referred to our image on our landing page and generated different variations. Within this ad set alone, each ad has a different image variation, which is super cool. And you can see consistent style, typography, and all the different sizes you need to run your Instagram campaign. As we scroll down, we have Facebook. We could probably add a couple of more here. We have LinkedIn, single image and square. And then finally, we have Google Display, leaderboard, wide and mobile banner, all optimized for those various sizes. Fantastic. Okay, so let's give you a tour. Now, familiar UI to your page builder. At the very bottom, you have your toolbar with your agent. You can ask your agent anything and it will get to work for you and make updates across multiple ad sets or even a single ad, depending on what you ask. And then we have on the far left the add menu where you can add new formats. You can also explore elements and you can add directly from your media library. Now, brand kits is still coming soon, as well as Optimize and Insights. In fact, Optimize and Insights will very soon allow you to connect directly to your ad platform where you're running campaigns and make sure you can pull in insights and detect any gaps to optimize so you can improve the ads. So super excited for that. And then finally, you have the preview button, which is convenient to preview your ads in full scale and move across them like a presentation so you can see exactly what your ads look like. Now let's go ahead and check out the options available on this ad set. You can see you've got two toolbars, a toolbar for the entire ad set and a toolbar for the individual ad. Let's go ahead and first add a few more formats. We'll go ahead and choose feed, square, and story. Let's go ahead and add these formats. And just like that, you have perfectly resized formats for the entire ad set. Now with that, let's go ahead and see the individual ad set options. So we'll zoom into this ad over here. So on hovering, you can see all the different options. You can first hide the ad so it doesn't come up in the final export or publish. And then next along, we have the layers panel where you can dig into all the different layers so you can get more control, just like the page builder. You can also look at version history. All of your different changes will appear over here. And you can also save the versions if you want to access it later. Now, finally, this icon over here is one of the most important ones, is the unlink and relink icon. If I click this, it would essentially unlink this ad from the entire group. If I zoom out and look at the entire ad set over here, and I select, let's say, this ad that's not unlinked, and decide to change the text from inward to outward, you can see how that change carries over to the entire ad set, except the ad that I unlinked earlier. And so by unlinking this ad, it no longer follows the group. So I can make more unique edits to that specific ad. Finally, within the ad set, there's a few more options over here. You can choose to duplicate the entire ad set if you want a new variant, perhaps with a unique image. You can download the entire ad set with one single click right from over here. And of course, you can delete the ad set too. So that covers everything you need to know about our latest ad builder. I'm super excited because now we've completed the loop. You can essentially build your landing pages and build the most perfect ad set from that landing page so you can go ahead and publish your campaign and focus on growing your business. This is just the beginning of us completing that loop. There's more to come, so stay tuned. And while this is available in beta, everyone's got access. So give us your feedback and thoughts as you start to dig into it. And of course, try to join our office hours, which happens on a bi-weekly basis. Make sure you book in for the next one so you can bring all of your suggestions and thoughts to that session, as well as learn best practices to get the most out of Leadpages and build beautiful campaigns that convert. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.